Okay, my thing stopped recording, but all I did was grab the red skull, nothing much. They're missing out on anything anyway. Okay. Where is these sneaky little die? But yeah, I'm really just doing this because I need to get better at using the shotgun. It's my least used weapon, but I do think it's a fun weapon. I'm not gonna touch that, because I think that would get me a new gun. I don't want that. I don't want that one bit. Okay. I don't know why the strays, strays, they shoot and then they move a little bit. I don't know how there is not a single stray that is, capable of not shooting. Just saying, man. If your entire species can only shoot, and you've got hands for a reason, bro, you can scrap. Thing up here, just in case you didn't know. Probably everyone watching did though. Everyone watching has been like 2 people at max. And of those 2 people, all of them probably knew that. I'm gonna be completely honest. I really don't like this level, so I'm just gonna try going through as fast as I can without clipping, since this run will be entirely no note clipping. Unless it's on accident, then it doesn't count. Nah, if it's on accident, I'll probably just restart the level. No note clipping, and when I eventually do P-2, where's the last little die? But when I eventually do P-2, I'm not going to, seriously, where is he? I'm not going to skip straight to synthesis. I'm going to do the whole gauntlet. Which will be quite hard if, like, that's the main issue with just using shotguns, because, I'm gonna have to learn how to beat P-2 with just the shotgun, which is going to be the hardest part. Just because that level, like, with every other weapon, it's really easy since you can do saw traps. But without it, you know, kind of difficult. Without being able to do saw traps or anything else. It's possible though, I know it is. Get in there. Those street cleaners are so annoying in this run. They're going to be really annoying. Just because how long the shotgun takes to recharge. And because they can dodge, those two things are really bad. Well, this is one of my favorite levels in the game, so let's see how fast I can do this. I used that too much. Oh, I missed it. Didn't have any stamina. I can just do it again. It's not too difficult. I just need to remember to save my stamina. At least a little bit. Go, go, go. Niceness. 30 seconds. Now here is... I really like this level. I just do. P2 is my favorite character, but I'm a bit upset that his first fight is incredibly easy. I like the second fight though. Second fight, they made him a lot harder. Still not like peak gameplay hard, but you know, harder than he was. He was like really easy. Now I'm gonna take your arm, bro, and there's nothing you can do to stop me. I'm not gonna use it though. Just stealing it. Well, did that. That's done. I guess that is another layer. Well, that's it. Maybe we'll do another one.